Weatherman, don't tell me lies. I know it's all a big surprise. It's a hocus pocus magic that you do.
Good morning and welcome to WEITV, another weekly weather edition. I am your meteorologist, David Knollhoff. Thank you for joining us again this week. Well, last week we didn't have a whole lot of weather to talk about, but things are changing out there. If you've gone outside, you've noticed it's windy. The wind is moving from high pressure to low pressure. There's a low pressure system moving into the northern portion of Texas as we speak. It's going to take its slow time as it does move across the state this weekend. So it's windy and there's moisture moving in, but not a whole lot. What's going to happen this weekend, Sunday time frame, we're going to have a cold front that passes through the Texas Hill Country, coming from the northwest and sliding to the east-southeast as it moves through Sunday night time frame. What that spells for us, unfortunately, not a whole lot of rainfall, except maybe a little bit more up towards the north and points farther north into northern Texas, where they could see some 1-inch amounts and some fairly strong thunderstorms. However, for us, mainly across the eastern half of the Texas Hill Country, if we see a shower, we're going to be pretty fortunate. So I'm not looking for a whole lot of rainfall with this frontal passage, and it looks like the western part of the hill country is going to remain dry. Now the big weather feature with this front is not the rain, but it's going to be the temperatures. So the front comes through and passes complete through the Texas Hill Country by Monday time frame. That does cool the high temperatures down, and we're able to cool off Monday night into Tuesday morning. We could be seeing freezing temperatures across the northern half of the Texas Hill Country and near freezing temperatures in the southern half of the Texas Hill Country. This is going to be Tuesday morning. So we're going to have to watch for how far south the freezing temperatures do get. And it is that time of the year where we start to see the freezing temperatures. Usually for the Texas Hill Country up in the north, it's the beginning of November towards the mid. And then in the southern portion, it's mid to late November where we see those freezing temperatures. So we're about right on par for this cold front to bring in that cold air. So that's Tuesday morning. You'll need to be aware of any updated forecasts Sunday and Monday time frame for that Tuesday event for cold weather. We can keep you updated. So the high temperatures go from the 70s this weekend. Cold front passes, high temperatures in the 60s on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday time frame. Probably even towards the end of the week we'll still be in the 60s. And then low temperatures this weekend are going to be in the 60s, and once the front passes on Sunday, we dip down into the 40s for Monday time frame, Monday morning, and then down into the 30s Tuesday morning. So stay aware and be aware of that. Then the next feature is really this upper level low that's going to come pushing north to the north across the northern portion of the hill country. It's going to swing another front through the area by Friday. The front doesn't look to be all that potent and all that much colder air, and it could bring some rain to the Texas Hill Country. So we'll have to be aware of that, but it doesn't look like much. Again, the majority of the rain is going to remain to our north, and that's unfortunate. We need some rain. El Nino is here, it's weak, and we're hopefully going to see some positive benefits from it this winter. I'll keep you posted on that. It looks like average conditions, average rainfall, and average temperatures primarily for this winter into spring. Okay, thank you for joining us. Have a great week. I'm meteorologist David Knollhoff.
Weatherman, don't tell me lies. I know it's all a big surprise. It's a hocus pocus magic that you do. You look at clouds.
Hey everybody out there in the YouTube webpage community. This is Donald R. Mitchell. And due to various election laws in the state of Texas and my own moral beliefs, I must make a few statements here for the record. Last week I made some comments about David Knollhoff that may or may not be true in certain societies. I am not a licensed meteorologist in the state of Texas, New Mexico, New York, or Guam. I therefore will not be able to run as meteorologist of Westward or any other organization. David Knollhoff is allowed to come up here and make predictions that are neither false or accurate sometimes, but since he holds a piece of paper that is recognized in the meteorological community, he will be filling in as the meteorologist of this station for the time being. I want to apologize and thank you for this opportunity. Good day.